Hello everyone, welcome back to day 13 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge on Learn with Riaz. I'm Riaz.
And I am Emma. We are almost halfway through our 30-day journey, and we are so proud of your dedication and consistency.
Absolutely, Emma, but before we dive into today's lesson, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please take a quick second right now to click that subscribe button and tap the bell icon.
Yes, please stay connected with us. Subscribing ensures you never miss a single daily session on your journey to full English fluency.
Today on day 13, we are continuing our extended real-life role-play format. By practicing longer, highly detailed everyday conversations, you build the actual vocal stamina and confidence required to speak fluent English in real-world setups.
That's right. Today, we have mapped out 4 essential everyday situations: calling a plumber for urgent home repairs, inquiring about an apartment for rent, asking about hotel amenities like the gym and spa, and returning or exchanging an item at a store.
Practicing these rich and detailed dialogues out loud will give you maximum confidence whenever you step out into the real world.
So listen closely to our pronunciation and rhythm, and make sure to repeat every single line out loud during the short pause right after us.
Superb! Make sure that subscribe button and notification bell are clicked, and let's jump straight into our first extended role play. Hello, thank you for calling Quick Fix Plumbing Services. My name is Riaz. How can I help you today?
Hi, Riaz. I'm calling because the kitchen sink in my apartment is completely blocked and water is leaking onto the floor.
I'm sorry to hear that. Leaks can be very frustrating. Could you please provide me with your full home address?
Yes, my address is apartment 4B, Maple Ridge Apartments on Oak Street.
Got it. Is the water actively overflowing right now, or have you turned off the main water valve under the sink?
I managed to turn off the main valve under the sink, so the leak has stopped for now, but I need it fixed today.
That was smart of you. I can send one of our senior plumbers to your location by 2 o'clock this afternoon.
That sounds wonderful. How much will the initial inspection and repair service charge be?
The service call charge is $30 plus the cost of any replacement parts if needed.
That sounds very fair and reasonable. Please confirm the appointment for 2 o'clock. Thank you so much.
Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to City Real Estate. My name is Riaz. How can I assist you with your housing search today?
Hi, good afternoon. I saw an online advertisement for a 2-bedroom apartment for rent on Elm Street, and I would like to ask for some details.
Yes, that beautiful 2-bedroom apartment is currently available. It features a spacious living room, 2 bathrooms, and a modern kitchen.
That sounds lovely. Could you please tell me what the monthly rental price is for that property?
The monthly rent is $800, which includes water supply and parking space.
Okay, that fits my budget. Is a security deposit required before moving into the apartment?
Yes, a standard security deposit equal to 1 month's rent is required at the time of signing the lease agreement.
I understand. Would it be possible to schedule a visit to view the apartment in person tomorrow morning?
Absolutely. I can meet you at the property tomorrow at 11 a.m. in the morning.
Perfect. I have noted the time down. Thank you so much for your assistance.
Good evening. Welcome to Guest Services Desk at Grand Palace Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good evening. I'm staying in room 305, and I would like to ask about the opening hours for the hotel gym and swimming pool.
Certainly, ma'am. Our fitness center and indoor swimming pool are located on the 2nd floor.
What are the operating hours for both facilities?
The gym is open 24 hours a day with your room key card, while the pool is open from 6 in the morning until 10 at night.
That is great to know. Do I need to bring my own towels for my room, or are fresh towels provided at the pool desk?
Fresh, clean towels and water bottles are provided free of charge at the fitness desk on the 2nd floor.
Wonderful. Is there an extra charge to access the steam sauna and spa room?
No extra charge at all. All wellness facilities are completely complimentary for our registered hotel guests.
Excellent. Thank you so much for the helpful information. I will visit the gym shortly.
Hello, welcome back to Styleware. How can I help you at the customer service counter today?
Hi, good afternoon. I bought this jacket from your store 2 days ago, but when I tried it on at home, the sleeves turned out to be a bit too long.
I understand. Do you have the original purchase receipt, and are the price tags still attached to the jacket?
Yes, I have the receipt right here, and all the price tags are intact just as I bought it.
Perfect. Would you like to exchange it for a smaller size, or would you prefer a full refund back to your card?
I really like the style and color, so I would love to exchange it for a small size if you have one in stock.
Let me check our inventory system quickly. Yes, we have one small size left in this exact color jacket.
Oh, that is fantastic news. I'm so glad you have it in stock.
Here is your new small size jacket along with your updated receipt. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that is all. Thank you so much for making the exchange process so smooth and easy.
We have successfully completed all 4 of our extended real-life roleplay conversations for day 13.
What a fantastic job, everyone! You have successfully completed day 13 of our intensive 30-day English Fluency Challenge.
If you enjoyed today's video and haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell right now so you never miss day 14 tomorrow.
Yes, stay connected with us. Also, make sure to type Day 13 Done in the comments section right now so we can personally review and acknowledge your daily progress.
Share this video with your close friends, family, and study partners so they can build their speaking confidence alongside you.
We will see you tomorrow for Day 14, right here on Learn with Riaz. Take care of yourselves, keep practicing every single day, and goodbye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep practicing and stay confident.